TikTok is getting more and more popular these days. A lot of people like to use TikTok to create funny videos. Do you know that you can actually look for a job opportunity by using TikTok video resume function? Today, we're going to share with you how to make and edit a TikTok video resume. Hi everyone, welcome to Job Majestic channel. I'm Jess. Our channel will be focusing on the content related about job interviews or anything related about work. If you like the content like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to follow our social media. Today, we're going to share with you how to make and create a TikTok video resume. It's actually not so difficult to produce a video resume. It can be done by using only one smartphone and follow these 5 simple steps, which are writing a script, shooting the video, editing the video, publishing it, and finally, you could actually start applying the jobs from there. Step 1. Writing a script. It's very important to come out your script before you start shooting for your video resume. You can include these details such as name, education background, working experiences, skills, achievement, and the job that you're applying for. You can also review some TikTok video resume examples for your reference. Second, shooting a video. It's actually quite easy to produce a video resume. You don't have to buy a very professional and expensive camera to do so. By only using your smartphone and download the app of TikTok, you can start doing it. Select a clean background before you start recording a video resume. Remember, always look at the camera and pretend that you're actually talking to an interviewer. Most importantly, try not to memorize the script 100% because it will actually make you look less natural. If you really feel nervous, practice makes perfect. Step 3. Edit the video. Now, you can edit your video resume in TikTok. You can use the green screen filters to put images or videos in the background while you're talking on the camera. I also recommend including closed captions for accessibility because sometimes it can be hard to hear what exactly you are saying. You can also add a text box throughout the video to emphasize certain things. And if you want, you can also add background music, but make sure it's not too loud. Step 4. Publish the video. You can now publish your video after editing it. When you write descriptions, make sure you remember to put hashtag TikTok resume because this is a very important algorithm of TikTok so that TikTok can auto-categorize it into video resume. You can now click publish and it's done. Step 5. Apply jobs. Now, you can go to www.tiktokresume.com and start searching your jobs and applying accordingly. You can click apply and upload your TikTok resume link and click submit and the process is done. Alright, that's all for today. If you think today's video is helpful for you and your friends, please like it and share it. If you have any questions, you can leave your questions in the comment section box below. I'm Jess. See you next Monday at 7 p.m.